Rolling! This is an episode of Real or Fake Ads. I'm your host, Dan Pratt. This is Todd Saunders. And here we go.
I've never seen anyone worse at this in my entire life.
Dan, just keep going.
Bad ads.
Bad ads, good ads, sad ads, glad ads, real or fake ads.
We're here to talk about ads.
Perfect. First ad. The latest dental implants. Real or fake?
The latest
What is a dental implant?
Check out your... It's a personal question, Todd. Check out your Yahoo search to go to the right place for dental implant sponsor.
That's a Yahoo, it's real.
That's a fake ad. That's a fake ad.
It's real.
Here's... How do we know?
He has answers.
Oh, I have the answers. I'm asking him.
Yeah.
Oh.
He has one without the answers, and you have one.
I have all the answers.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a real ad?
Real. So now make an ad for it.
You don't have to make the noise because we'll just add it in. Alright.
Let me tell you the rules. If Dan gets it wrong, he has to make an ad. A Dan Pratt ad.
A
for the
pitch. I
company.
have to make a pitch for the ad.
Yes. If you get it right, I'll make a pitch for the ad. A new pitch. A better pitch. Way better pitch.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. You got the first one wrong. Give us a pitch for the latest on dental implants and throw Yahoo in there.
Does your smile look horrible all the time? Do your teeth hurt when you have to drink Coca-Cola beverages or any other cold soft drink? Go to yahoo.com and search for dental implants. It'll help. Click
Perfect.
today. All right.
Next ad.
Next ad.
The next ad.
I like this game. This game is good. Okay, Bark. Now we've got your attention. Join the largest wolf pack of gamers.
Rough.
I'm gonna say that this is an ad. This is an
Real ad or a fake ad?
This is a real ad.
Now bark for us. Show us your bark. Advertise bark. No. Advertise the largest wolf pack of gamers bark.
Are you home alone in your parents' basement? Do you like video games and playing with friends on the internet? Join Wolfpack, the home for gamers. Wolfpack.com/AdHawk.
Wow, if we had Terrence dog here, that'd be perfect. Next ad.
Oh, can we get the puppy in here?
We should do dogs of AdHawk one day.
If I can pitch.
Even Naga likes your hair, Bobby. Everyone likes your hair.
Oh my gosh.
Welcome, Taryn Ramos, to the show. So, look at this ad for a second. Okay. The Lazy Man's Guide to Tar. Here's the game. You're going to guess if this is a real ad or a fake ad. If you get it right, Dan will make a new infomercial for it. Little ad. If not, you have to do it. So, real ad or fake ad?
Real ad.
You're correct. Dan, give us your ad.
Hi, I'm Dan Pratt. This is an adorable puppy that's licking my face. Use our product. What's it? Oh, it's just an AdWords product.
Dan, you're
God.
sucking. You were so much
I was
better.
so much better, but then Taryn made me nervous, and I've got a cute puppy in my arms, and she's biting me. Opti answers. Why bother calling your mother for advice when you can get better advice online?
It's an insult to mother.
That's a real ad.
Fake ad!
I'm so bad at this game.
Yeah, keep going.
Careful what you say here.
Okay. Goddamn. Listen, you're trying to make a decision right now, and your choice is probably gonna suck. You know who's smarter than you? Your mom. Call your mom. Use optianswers.com. She knows what's up. Okay, transform your search marketing, sleeping infant, mighty giant. This has gotta be fake. It's fake ad.
Real.
Hi, I'm Dan Pratt. I love animals, but I also live in New York City, where they're really hard to come by. That's why I go to my local zoo. Animals everywhere for the low price of $9.99. Your local zoo.
I would argue that there's animals everywhere in New York. Just everyone in this jungle is an animal.
It doesn't matter. Okay. Is that the last one?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching Real or Fake Ad. I'm your host, Dan Pratt. That's Todd Saunders. Click on this link below to learn more about simplifying your digital advertising with AdHawk.
Woogity,
See you
woogity,
next
woogity,
week.
woogity, 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 woogity.